Welcome to Study Loop.
In this question we have given two weights, that is W1 and W2, and are suspended from the end of a light string which is passes over a fixed pulley, and it is told that the pulley is pulled up at an acceleration of g. Then we have to tell that tension in the string. So first of all, I am drawing the diagram for this given question. This is our pulley, and over this pulley this is our string, and there is a weight. Let this weight is W1, and there is another weight. Let this is W2, and we have given the acceleration of this. Let this is g. So the acceleration of this weight is also g, and the weight is acting vertically downward, that is W1 and W2. Let the tension in this string is T. So we can say that, as we know that mass is given by, that is weight upon gravitational acceleration, that is g. So we can say that m1 is equals to, this is w1 upon g, and m2 mass is equals to, this is w2 upon g. Now I am going to draw the force balance for weight, that is w2. So we can say that for w2 we can say that net upward force is that is T minus W2, and this is equals to mass into acceleration, that is M2 into A. This is our equation first. Sorry, this is M2 into A minus this is G. Let this is our equation first. And similarly we can say that for weight W1 we can say that this is written as minus of W1 plus T, and this is equals to M1A minus G. This is our equation second. Now I am going to subtract equation first minus equation 2. So we can say that equation 1 minus equation 2. So we will get, this is 2 times of, this is m2g minus this is 2 times of m1g, and this is equals to m2a plus of m1a. So from here we can say the acceleration is equals to, this is 2 times of g into m2 minus m1 upon m1 plus m2. Let this is our equation third. Now we can say that the tension in the string is given by, that is T is equals to, this is m1g plus m1a plus m1g. This is from equation second. So from here we can say this is equals to 2 times of m1g plus m1a. Now put the value of acceleration here. So we can say this is equals to, now m1 can be written as w1 by g, plus this is 2 times of g, plus acceleration is 2g into m2 minus m1 upon, this is m1 plus m2. Now further we can say that this is equals to w1 plus, now multiply this 1 by g into this. So we can say this is 2 plus, or we can say this is 2 into m2 plus m1, plus this is 2 into m2 minus m1 upon m1 plus m2. Now after solving this we get, this is equals to w1, and this is 4 times of w2 upon g, upon this is w1 by g plus w2 by g. Finally we can say this will comes out to be 4 into w1 into w2 upon w1 plus w2. So this is the tension in the string, and this is our answer for this given question. So we can say for that option A is the correct choice. Thank you.